So the secret has been revealed, the way in which Patsy and all of her CADARRA aficionados travel with just a cabin bag, and it can be as small as 7 kilos of luggage, is because we wear our CADARRA, all 5 pieces of our CADARRA, and add accessories. I've also been known to wear 2 CADARRAs at the one time, so I can put, for argument's sake, a white CADARRA under my blue or under my black, and that gives me a whole new range. I can go for around the world in 80 days almost. But it does work. It really does work. And the size range fits everybody. The styles are there for every taste and every figure shape. You just adjust accordingly. But don't, if you are a CADARRA owner, don't go out and buy more garments to travel with. Just go and buy beautiful scarves, beautiful accessories, and watch the sales and get some gorgeous little tops that you know will team up well to turn your CADARRA into an after 5 or just a very casual look. And get as much viscose in your suitcase as you can. So we're going to pack the bag now. I've got all the pieces here. So here's my trusty little tote, and in that I'll be putting my makeup or powder form. I'll be putting in my jewellery and my CADARRA buckle. I'll be putting in more makeup. I've got more makeup here. And one thing I forgot to mention to you is that I don't carry cleanser. I use these fabulous little microfiber cleansing pads. They're inexpensive. You get them at the pharmacy or in a makeup department of a department store. Moist, take it off, second time, clean as a whistle, wash that out, use it again. Just screw it up. I've actually got a little plastic bag, which I haven't popped in here, but it will go in the plastic bag. That's my cleanser. And I forgot to mention that a hairbrush. Hello, how small is this? I love it because I don't have the bulk of a hairbrush, so I'll stick that in. I'll put this in as well. I mean, we'll see what happens when I go through. But that is my tiny wee little curling wand. I love it. About $40 online, Australian dollars. And this is what I have to show as I'm going through, which has got my deodorant, a little bit of moisturiser. I only have a little tiny file of fragrance. I don't take a whole lot. My medicines and my little shopping tote, beach bag, whatever. So there's my bag, my shoulder bag packed and ready to go. I have that, and I have my suitcase. And my suitcase has in it the 2 pairs of shoes, the dressy shoes and the beach shoes. It has in here the various scarves and sarongs that I have, not sarongs, scarves, and the little clutch that I'll use for after 5. It sticks in. My one on, one off in the wash in knickers and bras. Wedge that in. Oh, I'm not sure that I know what this is. Oh yes, my pyjamas, 2 pairs of, or 2 night dresses, and remember the silk or the satin pillowcase that goes with it to make your hair do what it's supposed to do for longer. This is a double-sided, a large one of these, which is great. So on one side I've got my swimming costume, my sarong. On the other side I've got the lightweight after 5 pieces that hopefully I'll get to wear. Little tops, they weigh nothing, so I'm taking them anyway. So that all sits in. You've got the double-sided effect, which is great. And on this side I've got shorts, my white linen pants, my after 5 pants, and my 2 little extra glitzy tops. So they go in. And of course in my shoulder bag is also my passport, etc. And in my final little bag, I open it right up. And what I've done here is I've got the white shirt and the blue striped shirt, which I've matched the collars in that they sit nicely, and then all my little t-shirts. It just makes it easier, I think, to pack. So you bring it over like in a shop, really. Bring it over, fold it through, bring it down. There's less crushing when it's done that way. Actually, I can take it up a little bit further. Okay, and then I pop it into my trusty little bag, zip it up, and of course, as I said before, my little shoulder bag, my little crossbody bag will have my passport in it. What have I done here? Oh, I've turned that around the wrong way. Okay, so everything's squished in there. We're 7 kilos. We fold it up perfectly. And all we've got left to worry about is the straw hat and the cap. And we just feed that in there. There's a mask in there as well to remind me that I need to take masks. Feed that in. Feed this in against it. Ha! So there you go. The way a CADARRA chick travels. Amazing. 7 kilos of luggage. And her trusty little tote. And I reckon we're off for 30, even 40 days. Not a problem. So happy travels, girls. And remember to check out the CADARRA website and you'll find out all the ways in which you can wear this absolutely amazing brand of travel wear. To see more amazing CADARRA styles and how to do it, how to achieve those amazing styles, click here.